During the day when you're at work, it's still important to make sure that you're moving and increasing the flow of qi and blood to your scalp. I'm going to show you 3 exercises that hopefully you can do in the office or a conference room or the washroom. If you're at home, you should definitely be able to feel comfortable in your home to do these exercises. But try to do them at least 2 times, if not 3 times throughout the day. The first exercise you want to do around noon, so right around that lunch hour, and that's the one where we're moving that ball of energy. Starting here, the lower dantian is the lower area below your belly button, that lower third of your body. You're going to start with the light there. You're going to move it to the back, up to the top of your head, up the back of the spine to the top of your head, and then you're going to exhale it back down towards your belly. I'm going to talk you through it so you can close your eyes and relax as you're visualizing that ball of light moving up. If you need to take more than one inhale to move that ball of light up to the top of the head as I'm guiding you, feel free to take that extra breath. As you get used to longer and longer breaths, your lungs will feel healthier and you'll be able to do one breath, bringing it all the way to the top of your head. Again, perfection is not the goal. Really visualizing and moving energy is what you're aiming for here. So go ahead and close your eyes. I'll close mine as well. Picture that ball of light and take a nice deep breath into your lower belly. Exhale. Now, inhale the ball of light up to the top of your head and exhale it down back to your belly. We're going to do that 11 more times. Inhale the ball of light up to the top of your head and exhale the light down the front of your body to your belly. Inhale up to the top, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale that warm ball of light up the back of your spine. And once at the top, exhale it back down to your belly. Halfway there. Inhale the ball of light up. And exhale down. 4 more. Inhale up. And exhale the ball of light down. Inhale the ball of light up your spine to the top of your head, and exhale the ball of light down to your belly. Last cycle. Inhale the ball of light up to the top of your head, and exhale down to your belly. Take a deep breath, flutter your eyes open. The next exercise you might feel really comfortable doing in the washroom. You can use a comb or your fingers. It's a modification of the circular massage technique you learned in the very first video. So because the massage technique takes so long to get 29 circles from front to back doing every area, this is a quick thing that you can do during the day when you're busier. So you're going to take your fingers and kind of put them along your scalp line, your forehead, the hairline, and you're going to move them back to where you feel the knobby part of the skull where it meets the neck. And then you're going to take your thumbs, so everything's gone back, your hands are in this position now. Bring your thumbs up towards the back of your ear. So it looks like this. You're going to bring the hands back, and you're going to bring your thumbs up and over your ear. Up and over, kind of right here to your ear. You're going to do that 12 times. So let's go ahead and do that. So just breathe naturally and normally. You can close your eyes. Here's 5, 8, we have 4 more, 11, and 12. Another option is you can use a wood comb. Different wood combs have different benefits for your hair and scalp, and we'll teach about those in longer courses. But for now, all you need to do is think about using one hand first and comb all over your entire scalp, every direction. do 12, or so strokes, and then switch hands and do 12 more strokes. And if you can, it's amazing to flip your head upside down and get the back of your skull. 12 strokes. With each hand. Okay, and then you can kind of comb your hair a little bit back to normal. And the last exercise for the office space, either in a conference room or if you feel okay at your desk, that's fine. And do the modification in the chair, or if you have a place that you can do the squat, it's the one where we exhale down, inhale up. And we want to do that 12 times. So follow along with me. I will just use the cue, exhale down, inhale up. Remember, really pull down. You're stretching your spine here. You're moving your spine. It's super nourishing to get everything moving, your chi and blood flowing. So let's begin. Exhale down, inhale up, 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 exhale down. We're halfway. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up. 3 more. Exhale down, inhale up. 2 more. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, and inhale up. And just remember, if you can't do 12 at first, that's fine. Even 1 is more than nothing. Even being mindful of just bending your head down and coming up, some kind of movement that will help you really begin to unlock your body and allow the blood and chi to flow.